Welcome, Virgo, to your monthly horoscope reading. This reading will find you when the message is meant for you for that specific day. So please do not try to force it or anything like that. But let's get a few cards out for Virgo, please. A few cards for Virgo. Tell me about the month for Virgo. Okay, 4 cards. 5, actually, hidden. The Two of Cups in reverse. Okay, Virgo, there is a moment of loss. But I believe with every moment of loss, there's now a open space for something better to come back into your life. So do not fear this loss too much, for it's a good thing at the end of the day. I really do feel it's going to be a good thing for you. And yes, the 10 of Pentacles. You have to lose some to gain more. You have to lose some to gain more. The 10 of Pentacles is all about a legacy, a family legacy, a creation, a strong foundation that you have created for yourself and your loved ones, and those that are going to be not left behind, but is going to be there after you. The Three of Swords. Okay, I feel this has to do with a healing process that you're going through. This is the change that is happening. You're healing the part of you that feels the most broken. You're healing the part of you that feels the most destroyed by other people and their own things that they have done in your life. You are feeling the healing process of the Three of Swords. Right now in this situation, I do feel strongly this has to do with a growing part of you. The Hierophant. Listen to the universe. All around you there is hope. All around you there is greatness that is heading your way. All around you is everything that you will ever need and more in your life that is going to boost your morale and is going to boost who you want to be. And then for the Eight of Swords in reverse. Virgo, as you are listening to the universe and to the message all around you, there is this eye-opening moment happening for you in your life, in particularly in your challenges that you're facing when it's all about the change. It is now seeing with your eyes instead of seeing with your emotions or your feelings, or you're thinking that you are seeing something important happening in your life. Now you're actually viewing life after this healing change that has happened. Okay, little shadow work. Let's do little shadow work for Virgo, please. Virgo shadow work. The Chariot with the Moon and Temperance. 3 major events happening. The Chariot is moving in the right direction. The Moon is your guidance. There is a guide living nearby in you, inside of you, that is guiding you. And Temperance is, it's warning you, it's giving you a warning of what to change in your life and what you have to change for you to really move forward and succeed in your challenges ahead, and how to be a winner in your own ranks and what your own definition is of winning. The Moon is a promise that this healing process that you're going through, all of it will be worth it. So trust and believe. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.